Hello, my good people. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Amos, and here today I'm going to showcase my professional blog. I know having a blog is one of the ways of showing people what you have done or what you are able to do. So what you are seeing here front is a front part of my blog, which has been designed using PHP, HTML, and SQL. It has both backend and front end. So I'm going to show you the front end. So we have the homepage, we have the blog, we have categories. This shows what you're going to be posting on your blog. These are some of the categories I'm having. We have source codes. You can as well let people download your source code from direct from your website. I'm going to show that. You have about and contact us. So let me take you a bit of what is going on the front end. So that is it. Let me go up. So we have blog PHP, which now contain the main content of your website. You can see under blog we also have categories. You can click here and see what you're posted under AI and machine learning. You see software development, gadget review, cybersecurity, web and blockchain, tech news, and tutorials. Tutorial can be showcasing what or processes of solving problems. Tech news show people what is trending and technology. Basically, that is it. We have under development, under categories, you can see, you can select under categories. Under source code, people can actually download your source code of your projects. You can paste your project here. Like when I click download, you can see the project has been downloaded. You can download and a zip. Basically, that's how it's working. You can click here to go home, or you can click this link here, Tech Circuit Decoding Innovation. If you click that, it takes you back to the home page, Tech News. Basically, that's how the homepage looks like. It's professional. You can get it under my website, Tech Circuit. Okay. So basically, this is the homepage. We have tech news. You can show people what is trending on the technology side. You can see resources. You can also resources is the same as the source code. People can download projects direct from your website. If you want this project, you can download it direct to my website, techcircuit.co.k. I'll be showing you that shortly. Basically, this is the home page. Contact us. You can see the contact page. About us. You can see the about you talking about yourself. Blah blah. Now the project has got both front end and back end. So this is the front end. So I want to show you the back end. This one, the backend has got dashboard, posts, categories, user settings, and logout. Under the dashboard, you can see you have posts. You can manage posts. You can add categories. You can add posts. Like when I click view posts, you can see all the posts here. You can see add posts. You can add a post directly. The database is working. Go back to the dashboard. You can manage categories. You can as well add categories and add category. You can see it's working well. And you can as well manage users. You can add several people apart from you who will be posting on your website. That is it. So you can add a post. Let me add a category. Add category. I'm going to add a category like teaching. Okay. So icon class, let me type teaching. Okay, add. You can as well see teaching has been added. You can as well go back, add user. Let me add a user. Click here, add user. I can click there, add Steve. Let me add a user, Steven. Let me add Steven at gmail.com. First name is Steven. Role, you can add, select role for that particular person, either editor, subscriber, author. Let me type editor. Password, let me add Steven. Okay, let me confirm that. Then you can create user. You can see the password must be 8 characters long. So let me repeat that. Select editor, then acquire Steven at 123. Let me add a user. You can see user added success. So if you want to check the users you have added, you can click users. You can see user Steve has been added here. Okay, it has a login page because if I click logout, you see how it's working. I can log in again. You can see this is the backend, the admin side. It's working very well. It's simple and direct to the point, where you need to add posts, you need to add categories, you need to add users to your system. So follow me for more project which I'll be posting on my website. Okay, this is my website, techcircuit.co.ke. This is my website. This is the source code I've built, and this is my website. So follow me and make sure you subscribe for more videos like this.